Alright, back again guys with the F10 that I've been working on. I've been gone for a week. I was out of town handling some business, but I'm back. So today, what we're gonna do, quite simple. We're going to remove this hood latch. I already removed the other one to, as you can see, just for safety purposes. But we're gonna remove this, voila, off of the hood. And remove all the mechanisms and such, and heat shield for the engine. We're going to remove that, and we're going to install the new hood, as you can see. And we're going to take her for a maiden voyage. Check out how she drives.
One hour later.
Alright, back again, as you can see. As you can see, it's a whole different look in this episode. And I told you guys, everything gonna come together. So, currently what we have here, we need a hood latch. Hold the hood down on the driver's side, but I mean, it should be straight with the passenger side hood latch, as you can see. Need to be a little straightened out a little bit, but I mean, when it get painted, you'll see. Comfort access. You can see the hood latch work. Let me show you how I did it. See, I had to rig some up right there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. Had to rig some up where this can stay in here, where the screws can, still work and stuff to latch the hood down. This hood latch was still good during the collision, but this particular hood latch right here didn't make it from the original collision. As you can see, that's why it's empty right now. And yeah, that's that. That's the hood down. We're gonna take it for a maiden voyage, take it for a test drive, give you a little POV shot and exterior shots of the car being driven. So, hop right in, start it up. Beautiful fold-out mirrors. Beautiful heads-up display, as you can see, on this beautiful day. Well, it's not that beautiful, it's getting kind of late. Okay. So, make it up out of here. Check her out. Sound good. Hit a turbo spooling a little bit. Signals work pretty decent. The check engine light is still on due to the ambient air temperature sensor. That's the last thing I got to replace. brakes pretty decent. Okay. Transmission, shift smooth, BMW shifter. Okay. Let's get some exterior shots. What's up, world? I know some of y'all was wondering how I look, or you know, the guy behind the camera, but I'm the face behind the camera. But anyway, today I replaced the hood on my 2013 535i X Drive. Yeah, it was quite easy. Shoot, you know, just replace 4 screws on each side. You got 2 screws on each side, one on the passenger side and one on the driver's side. Other than that, a couple of tips that you're gonna need if you're planning on doing this by yourself. You're definitely gonna need like a crate or something to hold the hood up so it doesn't, when you pop the screws off, the hood don't pop and hit you in the head. That's a #1 tip. #2 tip is you're going to need to use most parts. If you're buying a brand new hood, usually like the hood latch and all the other little stuff does not come with the hood. So the best thing to do would be to use the old hood as a donor hood. And what I mean by donor hood, you know, you could take the pieces out like the heat shield, the latch, like what I just said. Other than that, you know, it's pretty much, it's like a home run, pretty much, you know. But let's see what else. Yeah, other than that, at this stage right now, I have a couple of things to fix. I need to get a hood latch for the driver's side, which I'm gonna get that tomorrow. The ambient air temperature sensor. That's why the check engine light is on right now. And get the car painted, just to get it to normal standards. Other than that, plans I have for the car, I'm not gonna disclose too much. But you're gonna see. It's gonna look way better. Stay tuned and stay wavy. Hope you enjoyed this video.